Hi, I'm Tiffany and I'm shooting in Boudoir today with Brett and I'm super excited.
Yep.
That's it?
Yep. Exactly. Today we're shooting Boudoir. Yep. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we are in San Diego. I'm with Tiffany. We are shooting Boudoir. We're going to combine fitness with Boudoir. The nice thing is that this style is highly monetizable because we do talk about business here. And it's, I don't know, it's fun to shoot, I guess, yeah?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Have you shot this style before?
Nope.
Nope?
First time.
Honestly, not a huge fan because historically Boudoir is meant for, I think that the French term, it means for the bedroom. And so normally it's just like for someone else's eyes only. The thing about fitness is, I don't know what the right word, sensual in nature, but for a larger audience. Because one of the nice things about fitness is it's about marketability. It's about social media. Traditional boudoir photographers shoot for like an album or for something for the wall. So it's not really meant for everybody to see. We're going to be using a Fusion TLC Raven trigger on the camera. Just got that last week. It's amazing. One of the things that it can do is it can set off multiple brands at the same time. We have a Flashpoint 300. We'll be setting this off at the same time as a Profoto B10. So you're going to see posing, lighting. We're going to be mixing natural light and with strobes. And we're also going to be using a new trigger that sets off two different brands. Hopefully you learned something new. If you do, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content. And be sure to give her a follow so you can see all the Boudoir pictures we take.
Yes.
Ready?
Thank you. Yep.
Let's go.
Excited.
Good. Forward tight. Good. And the face back to me. Good. Rotate shoulders to me a little more. And left hand to the hair. Okay, so this is going to be all about the core. When you twist, right there, perfect. Arch as much as you can. And then press down on that right foot and activate the quads. Right there. Perfect. Good. Right there. Good. Trying to align that shoulder. Good. On the hair, soften so it doesn't push up. Right there. Good. That right hand, grip onto the strap. Sit down. And the face back to me. Good. Alright, when you bring all the hair this way over the front of the couch, right there. Perfect. And then turn your face to the left. Right there. On your feet, extend the right leg out a little more. Good. Point the left toes. As big of arch as you can. Chin up tall. Good. Turn your face to your left. Get the right hand to your neck. Right there. Extend the left hand up a little more. Hold it. Bigger arch. As big as you can go. Hold it. Turn your face left now. Bigger arch. Take that left hand. Walk out the mouth. And the face wants to go. Right there, perfect. And your face, turn your face looking out this way. Right there. Alright guys, let's talk about the main differences between regular boudoir and fitness boudoir. What do you think the differences are?
In fitness, you said?
Yeah, between boudoir and fit boudoir.
I feel like fit, it's gonna emphasize more of like how you look in a more fitness aspect, as in the other ways more like sexual kind of, you know? More personal.
Good. A lot of traditional boudoir is going to be parts of the body. You know, it's kind of telling the story. It's going to be, like the garter belts, holding onto the bottoms, the ribbon, the details. The posing is about being anonymous. It's about a lot of a look away, so it's not so much focused on an identity. It's telling the story. We do that with fitness boudoir a little bit, but with fitness boudoir, it's a softer look while still showcasing muscles. You're not going to have a bunch of baby oil to make the muscles pop. It's going to be a softer, more feminine version of fitness, but you're going to focus on the face, because with these kinds of shots, you still want to be identifiable as the athlete. Are you proud of your muscles?
Yes, very proud.
So it's going to be a way for her to showcase, her physique, how hard she's worked in a softer way, without looking like a soft body type. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Totally.
Lighting wise, if you put all the light this way to the front, it's going to fill in all the shadows. We have the lights in different positions, sandwich position. Reason why? On a highlight, into a shadow, into a highlight. You still want to see definition. If you were to light from the front, it's going to make everything all flat. You can see a little bit of muscle, but you're not going to see a lot of muscle.
Okay.
Anything else to tell them?
No, that sounds great.
Tell them something new. Tell them what you ate for your
I ate
post.
pasta and it was so good. I feel full, but it was amazing. So after not eating pasta for 3 months, it was worth it.
She had a lot of pasta.
Yeah, a lot.
You should have seen her yesterday. Yesterday she had muscles.
I had a little more.
Give her a follow on social media, and if you want to learn the correct definition of boudoir, go follow
me, Paola.
That's it. Now we're going to go shoot for real.
Yep.
Yeah?
Sounds good.
All right.